You plan to buy an SM7b, but you need to know some important aspects before buying it so you won't be shocked when you receive your microphone. There are some limitations when using it, and you need to make some effort to get that good sound. I bought my first SM7b 6 or 7 years ago, and when I received it for the first time, I was disappointed by some aspects. I will share my experience with you so you know the truth about using this mic before placing the order. The first impactful aspect you will face with this microphone is the cost. If you buy this microphone, that's not the final cost. This microphone requires a lot of gain. If you have a great audio interface with a powerful preamp that offers at least 60 dB of gain, that's perfect. You just need to connect the mic to it and the signal will be okay. But if you don't have an audio interface with a powerful mic preamp, you need to use a mic activator, an inline preamp, and that comes with another cost. What I like, use and recommend is the Cloudlifter CL1, but there are also other options. So to use this mic at its maximum potential, you need to add something around $100 to the cost and one more cable to connect the mic to the activator and the activator to your audio interface. This is for the CL1. But if you already have a powerful preamp, you don't need a Cloudlifter to record great audio. The second big step you have to do to achieve that great SM7b sound is to EQ your audio. Many creators don't know about this and they buy the SM7b, connect it, set the gain correctly, and after listening to the recording, they're disappointed because the audio quality is not the same as they hear on Joe Rogan's podcasts or other great creators using this mic. Why? Why doesn't it sound the same? Because they process the sound. And if you want to have that great audio in the end, you need to learn how to use the EQ. By default, SM7b has a dark, almost muffled sound. Even if you use the onboard EQ and boost or cut some frequencies, you still need to EQ your audio. It's not hard, but you need to spend a day or a few hours to learn and practice how to do it, and you also need to gain some experience doing it. Yes, you can reach that amazing sound with this microphone, but just buying it, connecting it to your PC and recording, it's not enough. You need also to learn how to EQ it. It is full of tutorials about this topic out there, and you can learn it fast if you are open to investing a few hours and practicing a little bit. Another aspect that many creators don't take into consideration and they get disappointed after using this microphone for the first time. With this microphone, you need to talk close to it. It's a dynamic cardioid microphone and it captures the sound near the capsule. I see creators talking far away from this mic because they don't like it in the shot because it's big, or in podcasts, guests that don't have experience in talking into a broadcast mic, moving, creating a big distance between them and the capsule, or changing the distance constantly. That creates big differences in volume and tone. Yes, you can have amazing sound with this microphone, but you need to create a good microphone technique and understand how this microphone works the best. Now, another misunderstood aspect. Many creators think that if they buy this microphone, they don't need to acoustically treat their room. That's simply not true. Yes, it may be the best microphone for untreated rooms. It picks up the smallest amount of reverb and noise, but if you have reverb in the room, the mic will still capture it. Even if you buy an SM7b, you still need to try to eliminate the reverb. Drag the curtains, put a carpet on the floor, add a couch, big plants, shelves with books, things that break the flat surfaces that reflect the sound and create the reverb vibrations. But the question is, how can I say all these things about the SM7b? It makes it look like a bad microphone and it's really not. It's one of the best in the world. What's happening here? Well, the internal shock mount of this microphone, it's crazy effective. You can touch it and compared to other microphones, the shock mount rejection is great. The pop filter, it's the best. You don't need another pop filter with this microphone. And if you have a little mic speaking technique, you will never have problems. And the most important thing, the sound is amazing. The tone of this microphone, it's incredibly pleasing to listen to. This is the most important aspect. I can listen to someone speaking into this microphone for hours and I will not get tired. For YouTube videos, live stream, coaching calls, it's an incredible microphone. And also it's super versatile because it works great on instruments, stages, almost anything, and is known that it lasts for decades. If you want to buy it, I will add affiliate links in the description for the SM7B, cloud lifter, some great quality cables, and a low profile arm that's perfect for it. If you click on my links, you're not going to pay anything extra, but I will earn a small commission, and this will help me keep sponsors away from this channel and create more valuable content for you. Thank you. Now, I will show you some aspects and variations that I recommend for this microphone, but first let's decide if this is a great fit for you or not. If you want a broadcast mic and you don't mind talking close to it and having it in the shot, if you are open to buying a great audio interface or a cloud lifter, and if you are willing to spend a few hours learning how to use an EQ, yes, you may have the best microphone in the world that will save you in any situation. But you need to invest a little bit and learn how to use it properly. Every great result comes with some investment, and this one might be the greatest. Do I recommend the SM7B? Clearly, but you need to know all these aspects first. Now let me show you my favorite combinations when it comes to this microphone. And if you find this video useful until now, don't forget to press the like button and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you. The first setup that I choose when it comes to SM7B is the Rodecaster Duo and Elgato LP mic arm. With Rodecaster Duo, you don't need a cloud lifter. This device has a powerful preamp with plenty of gain for the SM7B. The sound you are listening to right now is recorded with this setup. It's the best combination for talking head creators, podcasters, courses, online calls, recordings. Is the ultimate combo for video creators. If you create videos and have this combo, you won't miss anything. The second setup that I love using is the SM7B, also with the Elgato LP arm and the Zoom F3. Yes, the F3 can power the SM7B without problems and you don't need a cloud lifter. The sound you're listening to right now is recorded with the Zoom F3. This is great for field recordings if you want to make a podcast or interview at a restaurant or outside of your studio. It's extremely easy to use, lightweight and safe. But you can have all these great setups and the amazing SM7B and still have bad audio if you don't know how to use them properly. For this, I created a dedicated video where I show you all you need to know for great audio recordings, how to set the gain properly, how to position the mic properly, and all the tips you need to achieve great audio for your content. Transform your audio quality and your audience will appreciate it.